Hey everyone, Soren here from RMS Vocal Institute. So, I thought it would be super fun to do something a little bit different. So, I wanted to look into some different movies that I like at least, and talk a little bit about some of these creature sounds. This one will be about The Legend of Ochi, one of my newer favorite movies. With William Dafoe, as we all know, I hope, and as well as one of the boys from the Stranger Things. So we will look into it and talk a little bit about what's going on here. The sounds which the creatures made in this specific movie are actually called throat whistling, which is something the director found online and found very fascinating and could see this sound being perfect in this specific movie. The sounds we hear in this movie are made by Paul. I'm not going to try the last name. It's going to be written. Who is a master at this specific style. I definitely want you all to look him up. He does some amazing work. So, not saying that I am at his level with this, not even close. However, I found out how to do it. So, I will talk a little bit about that. The sounds, they change a lot throughout the movie, so it's not like, oh, exactly this. No, because he's playing around with his oral cavity quite a bit when he's doing this, as well as pitch. So these small things will change depending on the specific little millisecond that you are listening to inside The Legend of Ochi. So let's have a little quick listen to how they sound. When I heard this sound, I was fascinated instantly. I will admit I stopped the movie and I was like, what is this? My daughter was not stoked that I stopped the movie. However, I was that amazed. It was a sound I have never heard before. Don't know why. No one showed me throat whistling before. So, yeah, that was a big new one for me. So, how that I approach it, at least, is inhales with whistle fry involved, plus the uvula. Then, depending on specifics, you'll have to play around a little bit with pitch and, yeah, in general, just the oral cavity to see what sound you'll end up with. So you can make many different sounds with this. So for example, inhales, introduce the uvula. You might also lift the tongue a little bit in the back, just like when you do twang. But yeah. Think of it like going from your nose in instead of out. So instead of then that might help a little bit. You can of course also focus on the going up and down in pitch, right? But yeah, there you have it. The Legend of Ochi, one of these fun sounds. And have fun with it. It's really a cool sound. I love to do it all the time. See you at RMS Vocal Institute if you want help with your singing or your voice acting or anything voice related. See you there.